Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Starry AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Starry AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Starry AI application and then click on Get Started. Skip the images by tapping on Skip at the top right side of the page and the official page of Starry AI account will appear on the screen. Click on Profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on Login. Tap on Continue with Google. Choose your Google account and it will log you into your Starry AI's account in no time. You can also use another account if you want to. This is how you can log into your Starry AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.